Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Caitlin Harvey.
We're taking a live look out at Mount Shasta this midday from the Mount Shasta Resort. This live view is brought to us as part of our Newswatch 12 Weather Cam network. We're seeing a few clouds up toward the mountain, but still looking at mostly sunny skies, dry conditions, and temperatures into the 70s. Now, Mount Shasta is one of the few places we could see some of these storms as we head into this evening and mainly for tonight. But our live sweeping satellite and radar still painting a pretty quiet picture across the region. We are still seeing, of course, some of that fog, mist, and drizzle as we work our way into southern Curry County. That is expected to disperse as we head into the next couple of hours. Otherwise, areas of northern California and the Rogue Valley be heating up back into the mid-90s today. Expect hot temperatures across much of the region, all with dry conditions for today. But tonight, that all changes. Out along the coast, again, still tracking those winds up to 10 to 20 miles per hour. Some of that fog still hanging around Gold Beach and Brookings. Temperatures as a result will only be up into the 60s and 70s. For northern California, we'll stay mostly dry, but newer forecast models really showing that some showers and storms could move in as early as 5 p.m. Mount Shasta, Weed, Wairika could see some storms. Most of us looking at that potential for storms overnight tonight. We're back into the upper 80s and lower 90s throughout the Klamath Basin today with mostly sunny skies, but do expect nighttime storms as we head into tonight and really for tomorrow morning, still looking pretty active. For the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous, we're into the 70s, 80s, and 90s today, heating up. Sunny today, but tracking storms potentially tonight. Same for the Rogue Valley. Dry today with plenty of sunshine. Hot temperatures back into the mid-90s, but we do see a slight chance for some storms tonight. In fact, most inland locations seeing that potential for thunderstorms overnight, with temperatures staying pretty warm, frankly, only into the 50s and the 60s. 66, your overnight low in Medford. So here's our latest forecast model. Still looking dry as we head throughout today, but by 5 p.m., there it is. I still think it's overdoing it just a bit. Starting to see some shower and storm activity into southern Siskiyou County, working its way northward as we head into tonight. Overnight tonight for Newswatch 12 at 11 p.m. with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman, should be tracking a little bit more widespread thunderstorm activity. Tomorrow morning, as we're on Newswatch 12 this morning with me, we'll be watching for some thunderstorms into parts of Lake County, all before they become more widespread tomorrow afternoon. Now, even the Rogue Valley, not out of the woods here tomorrow night. We could see strong to even severe thunderstorms tomorrow throughout much of the region. Now, your Stormwatch 12 threat index, that main thing we're watching for is abundant lightning. Now, can't rule out strong winds up to 60 miles per hour or half-an-inch size hail either. But we are tracking with this. That's good news, even though we're seeing the threat for abundant lightning, wetting rain. So dry thunderstorms, not a major deal. But since fuels are so dry, we're still seeing this red flag warning tomorrow from 5 o'clock in the morning to 11 o'clock at night through the Klamath Basin. On top of that, we're tracking another chance for showers on into your weekend, with temperatures cooling back down by this time next week. 95 today, though, and mostly dry throughout northern California. Expect storms tonight and widespread thunderstorms, some which may be strong to severe as we head into your Thursday. For the Klamath Basin, storms tonight and storms tomorrow. Temperatures, though, still back up to 90s today, potentially. 85 your high today for the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous, with storms arriving tonight. And dry today for the Rogue Valley, but do expect that chance for some overnight storms and more storms tomorrow. But 96, still so much to talk about. Still so hot today.
Yes, it's weather really not knowing what it wants to do. But I think it's important to touch on the fact that tomorrow, not going to be a dry lightning event like you said. There is going to be that rain, but because it is still so dry outside with all these dry fuels, needing to be fire aware tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Caitlin.